Are you looking for a home in a great community in the Douglas County area that's close to hiking, biking trails, shops, restaurants, easy access to the mountains? Well, look no further than this listing of mine that's coming on. Hello, I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and REMAX Professionals. And today, in the Sterling Ranch subdivision in a highly desirable area of Douglas County, just down the way here, you have a coffee and brewery, and they have nightly food trucks, and just you couldn't have easier access to nightlife, family gatherings, trips to the mountains, shops, restaurants. This is all it right here. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and REMAX Professionals. And if you'd like more information on this great house and this great location of Littleton, feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I'd love to answer any questions that you may have.